the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful and intricate space observatory, has once again expanded the limits of discovery. This time, its instruments turned toward one of the most extraordinary visitors ever detected, a body known as 3I Atlas, interstellar traveler now passing through our cosmic neighborhood. Spotted about 10 light-years away and moving steadily toward our system, the object drew immediate fascination. Its trajectory, brightness, and unusual behavior made astronomers realize they were witnessing something far rarer than an ordinary comet or asteroid. For decades, scientists dreamed of capturing such clarity from a body that did not originate within our solar system. Now, Webb's infrared instruments have delivered the sharpest image ever of this elusive wanderer, an achievement that represents not only a scientific milestone, but a cultural one. The image reveals a nucleus cloaked in glowing dust and gas, its contours and jets rendered with striking precision. Where earlier telescopes would have shown only a streak, Webb resolves textures, patterns, and subtle emissions, each a clue about the object's composition and history. Spectroscopy from Webb has already begun to peel away these mysteries. Each wavelength carries chemical fingerprints: water, carbon compounds, ices, or exotic materials, telling us whether the body resembles comets of our own system, or embodies a different recipe of planetary formation. Unlike comets locked into elliptical orbits, 3I Atlas follows a hyperbolic path, a trajectory that will send it past the Sun and back into interstellar space, never to return. Webb's image, therefore, is more than a picture. It is a fleeting record of an encounter that will not be repeated. Its Coman envelope of gas and dust sublimating under the Sun's heat shows irregular structures. Unlike the relatively symmetrical comas of local comets, this hints at chemistry foreign to our solar system, a signature of a star nursery far away. Symbolically, 3I Atlas is a messenger from another world. Locked within its frozen body, maybe the same kind of molecules that once seeded Earth, or entirely unfamiliar compounds that challenge our understanding of cosmic chemistry. Humanity's previous encounters with interstellar visitors, Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019, were brief and incomplete, limited by technology. But with Webb, the clarity is transformative. What was once speculation is now detail, a crisp, analyzable record of a traveler between stars. The implications ripple far beyond curiosity. Each observation refines our models of how planetary systems form, evolve, and exchange matter across the galaxy. They also sharpen planetary defense strategies, teaching us how to track and understand bodies on unpredictable trajectories. But beyond science, there is wonder. To look at Webb's image of 3I Atlas is to see across unimaginable distances, to witness a fragment of another star system standing briefly within reach. It evokes the same awe as the first photographs of Earth from orbit, or the Hubble Deep Field, a reminder that the universe is alive with motion, exchange, and connection. For students, researchers, and dreamers alike, this moment is both inspiration and invitation. Webb has shown that we can study not only distant galaxies, but also the small, fast-moving visitors that wander into our system from the depths of interstellar space. Every line in this image is a triumph of engineering, coordination, and human persistence. And every spectral reading is a doorway into another star system's past. The story of 3I Atlas is still unfolding, but already it has changed the way we see ourselves in the cosmos. It affirms that we are not isolated. We are part of a galaxy in constant exchange, where fragments of other worlds drift into ours, carrying messages written in ice and dust. The clearest image of 3I Atlas is not just a photograph. It is a chapter in the great story of cosmic migration, coded by human ingenuity, and a reminder that the universe is both vast and deeply interconnected. In the silence of interstellar space, a lone fragment drifts between suns. Named 3I Atlas, it is the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected. Unlike comets bound to the Sun, it belongs to no system cast out long ago from a distant star. For millions of years, it wandered unseen, until the James Webb Space Telescope locked onto its faint glow. With unmatched precision, Webb revealed not a blur, but a structured body jets of vapor, fractured ice, and alien chemistry. Spectroscopy showed familiar elements like water ice, alongside compounds rare in our solar system. Atlas is not just a comet, it is a messenger from another cradle of worlds. In its frozen heart lie the raw materials of a distant planetary nursery preserved for eons. To compare its chemistry with our own is to ask whether life's ingredients are universal or unique to each star. Atlas becomes more than an object. It is a question carried across light years. Symbolically, its presence reminds us of our own spacecraft, now leaving the solar system. One day, they too may pass near distant suns, seen by other eyes. Atlas is a mirror of that destiny, a sign that the galaxy is not a collection of isolated worlds, but an interconnected sea where matter, chemistry, and memory flow between the stars. The image of Three-Eye Atlas spread quickly, first among astronomers, then across the world. For scientists, it was a dream fulfilled, a chance to study matter forged around another sun, drifting freely into ours. Spectrographs lit up with data, each curve and spike carrying hints of alien chemistry. Teams raced to decode it, searching for patterns that might reveal how other systems form and whether life's elements are common everywhere. Philosophers saw something deeper. A comet without a home crossing into ours felt symbolic, an echo of human migration, a reminder that we too are wanderers in the cosmos. Artists painted Atlas as a glowing shard of another world. Writers called it a messenger, a seed, a fragment of memory flung across the galaxy. For ordinary people gazing at Webb's image, the sight of a visitor from another star ignited awe. It reminded humanity that the sky is not just distant points of light, but a living ocean where fragments travel, collide, and exchange stories. In Atlas, science and meaning merged. It was not only an object to measure, but a story to carry, a story that bound us to the wider galaxy.